Here we go again. Happy days. Well, then, another time, welcome to Rupert'S Property Show and to a new edition from Condado De Alhama Golf Resort, today from a great location here on Garden 13. And I'm showcasing you today a great 3-bed, 1-bathroom ground floor apartment. But first of that, I just wanted to show you a little bit of the garden here. As you know, we have over 24 gardeners working on site, and as it looks today, it looks always like that. Palm trees. Well, we have some trees blossoming here. The hedges are properly cut back. So a normal day on Condado De Alhama, and I'm showing you today in Rupert'S Property Show a 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. And, well, enough words, just let me show the entrance to that. We are on Garden 13. As you can see, it's the apartment 1507. It's a ground floor, obviously, and it's a corner unit, which is quite nice because corner units always provide more privacy and maybe a different feel than being in one of those apartments amongst each other, to say, back to back. In this case, no, it's a corner apartment, and they have set up also quite some privacy thingies here. We will see it later on in the back as well, to provide even more private atmosphere in here. And as you can see, it's a decent it's a decent terrace, no doubt about, decent size. They have left the grass bit here, which is quite nice as well. I'm always middle in between. What's better, to have it tiled entirely or leave the grass bit? Yes, I don't know what's better. So what we see here as well is one of the many mod cons and investments and improvements the owners did. In this case, we have the understair cupboard, which is quite a useful thing, because here we can store all the stuff we don't want to see all day, like the old barbecue and the bucket and the broom and all these funny things. So that's ideal. And it's one of the things we do need this storage here, because you will have loads of stuff here for the beach, for golf, for winter clothes, for summer clothes. So you will need the storage. So that's quite a good asset. Having said that, I think enough of the words. You do see the size of the terrace. Let us just walk into the living room here. I'm entering the property not through the main door, but through the sliding door here. And just to point out another item here, they've also added here another shutter, which is quite useful as well, especially in summer. Makes a little bit more shade, maybe, quite a nice thing. But as well, we have here mosquito netting. It's not that there are a lot of mosquitoes, but twice a year we do get the silly flies. I know this is everywhere, and it's quite uncomfortable. So with the mosquito netting, you get rid of them pretty quickly. I'm standing already here in the living room of this great 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. It's reference 3820 on the qualityhomescostacalida.com webpage, 3820, and comes as seen, which means all the furnishing, white goods, TV, everything comes included with this great property. For example, also air conditioning. We have in total 4 air conditioning units here in all bedrooms and the living room, which means that you can create all year round the exact climate you expect in your apartment, and that's exactly what it's for. As you can see, the living room is quite spacious, to say, and has as well the kitchen already integrated, which is also nice. So also for family cooking and all that, that's pretty okay. Equipped, as we can see, with oven hob extractor fan, with washing machine, with large fridge freezer, as well as with microwave, kettle, toaster, and all this stuff. So it's honestly ready to move in, no doubt about. And as you can see, it's also in quite good nick, I have to say. And it smells nice. Yes, it really smells nice in here, and that's, to me, an asset. Rupert's comment. Okay, walking through the hallway, I am showing you now the master bedroom. As we say, it's fully furnished and sold as seen, fitted wardrobes in all bedrooms, as well as air conditioning in all bedrooms. So that's quite a feature as well. On the back of the master bedroom, we just walk through to the other terrace, well, to the back terrace, to say, or patio, however you want to call it. And as well over here, we do have a privacy screen, which protects the views. And on the other side, we have a decent view here on the back on the lemon groves. So I do know when the lemons are blossoming, it's a magic, just a magic aroma, to say it's really fantastic. So that's one of the spots well, that's one of the moments where I really love to live in Spain, when they start to smell. Wow, that's just amazing. Outside here, we also see the air conditioning units over there, while the outside, the compressor units, so they are catering for the entire apartment. In case you want to fit a dishwasher as well, you can put the washing machine out here. That's already where the pre-installation is for water electricity, which makes it pretty easy to install the washing machine out here. But we also have a second tap, just in case you want to install a shower here or just to clean up the terrace or whatever. So that's quite useful. For this apartment, there is also dedicated parking space, which is just around the corner over there, 1507. I hope you can see that. It's somewhere over there. So pretty close. Just walk around the property and you're already there. You could also build a door here to say, but this needs the approval of the community of owners as well as this is a small building license from Alhama Town Hall. But there are many, many examples on site where people have put in these extra doors here to make access even easier. But having said that, I don't really see it necessary. To me, more important is the privacy screen here, because this provides, as it says, privacy to the bedrooms. Having said that, coming back through the master bedroom, which we first need to close the door here. So as we said, the property is sold as seen, with all furnishing, all installations, white goods, you name it, we have it. And just let me follow you now to the second bedroom, as well fitted in this case with 2 single beds, air conditioning, obviously. Just let me walk around here. There we go, Rupert. And there is a mirror. Thank you very much. They always install the mirrors why I don't expect them. I think it's just to trick me a little bit. I don't know. So we do see the fitted wardrobes. We do see the air conditioning unit. And, well, as I said, all rooms are fully air conditioned. We follow up with the bathroom. One thing I need to point out in the bathroom, as it's a corner unit, we do have a window. Sounds silly, yes, but yes, it's an asset, because only corner units do have the window. Otherwise, you would look into the loo of your neighbor. So we have a bathtub in here. We have a shower curtain, bidet for those ones who want to use it, as well as all other necessary installations. Don't think I need to mention them individually. We are back in the living room, and you might say, where's the third bedroom? Hi-ho, just to my left. Here we go with the third bedroom. In here, we do find something that's not really included in the value, because we have here our listing team. Hey, I may introduce you to Susanna.
Hi guys.
And you know Anna maybe already from former videos. And as you can see, Quality Homes has, how shall I say, increased the workforce, has doubled the workforce now for listings. So these 2 young ladies are now in charge of all listings for Quality Homes Costa Calida. So you want to contact them, no problem at all. It's either Susanna with double Z at qualityhomescostacalida.com, or it's Anna with double N as well at qualityhomescostacalida.com. If you don't want to remember all these emails, just send them over at info@qualityhomescostacalida.com, and I will distribute them to the corresponding people. Happy days. So we have another mirror here. They put it here, I know it on purpose, but I'm not falling into the trap. We have another air conditioning unit here, and going to the back here, we also have a fitted wardrobe, as promised, in all bedrooms. So, yeah, this is now a great 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. As I said before, on the dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you do find this property under reference 3820. Asking price is now only, and I have to say in this case, really only 79,900. The price was just reduced about some days ago from 89,000 to 79,900. So I reckon that this property will fly pretty soon off the shelf. So in case you're interested in a viewing, could be a virtual viewing, you're sitting at home on your sofa and we will show it to you, as well as a live viewing here on site through one of our dedicated agents. Please feel free to contact us either through the webpage, just click on the corresponding link, or just drop me a line again on info@qualityhomescostacalida.com, and I will take care that this is also reaching the corresponding expert on site with with qualityhomeskostakaleda.com. You might say, how much is the community fees for that? Well, the community is actually 120 euros per month, which includes all services provided by the community, means gardening, means street cleaning, means security, means pool attention. So there's loads of services provided by the community, as well as an individual connection to the internet for each apartment. We have a glass fiber network running on site, and every property is connected through the glass fiber network to the internet. So each property has its own router and has its own 100 megabit up and download line. We are using the same line also in our office, and we are working up to 8 people there, and we have no issue at all working together parallel. So that's more than sufficient also to stream, to download, to work online, whatever you do. This is more than sufficient. In case you want to increase this, it can be increased up to 600 Mbit. So in case you need more than that, just inquire with the provider on site. Our administrator here on site, INMHO, will be happy to help you. Council tax, or EB tax as it's called in Spanish, is 210 euros per year, and we have to add the rubbish collection, which is around 60 euros per year in addition. I have to mention as well, and I've been told by my listing team that I need to mention here the triple aspect. Triple aspect means that we have morning sun over there, we have more or less midday sun here, and we have sun in the afternoon. Isn't it amazing? No? This terrace has sun nearly all day. So that's what I need to tell. That's what they really instructed me, and I have written it down as well, the triple aspect. So please be aware, this is a very special property. And as we said, we are in Garden 13 here on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. Means we are in, well, I shouldn't say crawling distance, but we're in walking distance to the pub, to the supermarket, and to the Alcazar shopping center, where you do find hairdressers, you do find a furniture shop, estate agents, gym now even. We have a dentist on site now. We have a large spa supermarket. We have several restaurants and bars. In case you want to have more information about the resort, please visit our webpage, qualityhomeskostakaleda.com, and watch out for magazine. We have just published a new magazine for the resort where you find over 40 pages of real important information about businesses on site, about the resort as is, about the aspects, about the golf course, about many other things which are important at the moment to the resort. And I can only invite you to have a look at qualityhomeskostakaleda.com and look for the magazine. It's there in several languages as well, in German, it's in Dutch, it's in Danish, it's in Polish, in English as well, in Spanish. So we have quite some languages there. So please feel free, just have a glance on it. It's really well done. Also works pretty well on our webpage. Having said that, reference 3820 on qualityhomeskostakaleda.com is the place to go. Asking price 79,900 instead of 89,000. And please, this is nearly 10,000 euros less than was asking before. So if you really think of maybe making an investment here in the southeast of Spain, don't miss this offer. Yeah, this is Rupert'S comment to say. Okie doke. So, reference 3820 on qualityhomeskostakaleda.com, 79,900, asking for a 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, corner unit, quite private, with lots of mod cons, with lots of extras, with the mosquito netting, with the under storage, with the extra blind, and with these 2 beautiful young ladies. No, they're not included. Sorry, they're not included. Okay, well then, enjoy the rest of the day. We're looking forward into quite a funny weekend. Also here, weather-wise, as you can see, it's not really the sunny Spain at the moment. It's rather, it's the grey Spain. But we had a beautiful morning. It just started like that about at 3 o'clock, no? Wasn't it?
Yeah, like every afternoon.
Like every afternoon,
yes.
Every afternoon at the moment, it's going pear-shaped after 3 o'clock. No, we have beautiful mornings, sunshine, blue sky, and we all think, wow, it's gone now. No, it's coming back again. So, but on the other side, it's good for all the agriculture business for those ones growing raspberries or whatever. They really have a big time now because they can feed their plants again. So happy days. Thank you very much for watching today. Another edition of Rupert's Property Show. And I'm looking forward to see you next week again. Same time, same station, Thursday, 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock in the UK and on the Canary Islands. And I'm looking forward to see you and that you join me again next week to Rupert's Property Show. Happy days. Thanks very much. Stay safe and God bless.